into the beauty supply store in my neighborhood. So first thing you're gonna need is, there we go. Virgin hair fertilizer. They have this one and this one, but I normally just get the tube. So it, alright, so I need that. Next item you're gonna need, guys, is your Sulfur8. And this is $6.99 as well, but whatever. And then, last but not least, you're going to need DooGro. Again, I get triple strength, and this is $6.59. And that is awesome. How much are these? $10? Okay, so I'm gonna select this one. Amla is really, really good for, and then select the original black castor oil. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am making a batch for my sister and I'm going to place it in that container, which is $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now, the star player Sulfur8. I am going to use the entire container of Sulfur8, which you see that it is 4 ounces. So yes, and it's for $6.99. Woohoo! So yes, I purchased a spoon from Dollar Tree as well, my durable spoon there, and I'm going to scoop out the entire Sulfur8 and place it in the bowl there. Yes, again, make sure that you scrape out the entire thing, guys, if you want to make a large batch that I am making. And of course, this batch is going to be for my sister. I know she's probably watching. Hey sis, love you girl. This is especially for you. And let's get started. Okay, so next I'm going to grab the DooGro. Again, I only use triple strength. I know there's other DooGro hair grease, but I lucked up. It's $6.59. And yes, I'm still greedy. That still looks good to me. Looks like a delicious Lily Dilly, the grape kind, and I love it. You know what? Don't eat it. But anyway, so I'm going to scrape out the entire DooGro hair grease into my mixing bowl there. Yes, guys, again, I am making a batch. So a batch means this is going to be a large amount. So if you're going to use it just for a little bit, just 1 scoop will do for you. Next is the hair, virgin hair fertilizer. At my beauty supply store, it is $6.99, and I'm going to use the entire tube there. I'm going to actually place this tube in a measuring cup and melt it down. Anyway, next, my Jamaican black castor oil is $4.99, which you see there, and I believe this is what, 4 ounces? I can't see y'all. Whatever. Anyway, so I'm literally going to pour like half of the black castor oil in the mixing bowl there, or all of it, doesn't matter, just whatever you like. And now I found Jamaican black castor oil mixed with Amla, and I don't know, guys, I don't know if you heard, but Amla is the very best for your hair. Oh my god. But what I did not notice is that this Jamaican black castor oil with Amla has a certain like tint to it, like a color to it. So I was afraid that it may stain. So I'm only going to use a little bit, guys, what you see there. Next, my favorite, but I still despise it because it stinks. Wild growth oil. Guys, I'm telling you, I love it. I love that I hate it and hate that I love it. Whatever. But wild growth oil is the absolute truth, guys. You cannot make this mixture without it, okay? The reason why I love them dearly because it works tremendously, but it also stinks. But hey, If it stinks, it works. Don't come for me. You know that's true. So anyway, I'm going to pour at least half of it in my mixing bowl there and call it a day. Now I went and grabbed my virgin hair fertilizer that I was melting down in a measuring cup on my stove top. Do not melt it down in your microwave. You know what? In fact, don't even get the tube. Just go ahead and get the container. If you watched my video a little bit earlier, which you probably have, if you're this far in the video, they have virgin hair fertilizer in a container. I advise you to get that so it's easier to scoop out. But me being me, child, I just went and got the tube because that's what I'm used to. And yes, I'm used to squeezing out the entire tube there. I know you guys been mentioning in my comments that I can melt it down. I try, okay? I try. I'm very impatient. I'm a true Sag at heart, and I'm just impatient. So I just went ahead and just struggled and squeezed out all of the virgin hair fertilizer there. So yeah, I don't know. I'm crazy, whatever. But it works though. It works. So once I squeezed out all of the virgin hair fertilizer, next I'm going to mix it just a little bit there, like get a good mixture in there, like mix. Guys, you can use a hand mixer, but I'm old school, so I like to mix it by hand. I don't know, I just wanted to. And plus I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I did not want to use my electric hand mixer because I didn't feel like cleaning it, because we all know it's hard to clean grease, okay, unless you have Dawn dish soap, and I didn't have it. So you know what, whatever. Just watch me mix, guys, and yeah. Alrighty guys, next is going to be avocado butter. I can't believe I found it. I'm super happy. And yes, last time I used mango butter, but no ma'am, no sir. Avocado butter is coming through. Avocado is it has so many benefits in the hair, it doesn't even make any sense. So anyway, I'm going to melt avocado butter down, and I'm also melting another ingredient as well, which is the Shea Yogurt by Alec. Shea Yogurt, I love it. I love it simply because it smells so good, guys, and also it makes my hair super shiny and it's just wonderful. So I'm going to mix that as well. I'm going to melt that down as well with the avocado butter. But again, guys, you do not have to get the Shea Yogurt. Please do not get it. It was just optional for me, and I wanted my batch to smell really, really good, to which the Shea Yogurt did its job. So again, the Alec Shea Yogurt is a definite optional product. You do not have to get it, guys. But the avocado butter, I highly, highly, highly recommend. That too is actually optional as well. But in my last video, I used mango butter. But once I found out that avocado has avocado butter in the hair industry as well, couldn't help myself. Purchase it, got it, love it. So now my mixture, my concoction is complete. I'm thoroughly pleased because this time it smells really, really good, and I'm extremely happy at how it came out. My sis is going to love this. I know she's watching, so hey sister, this is for you, boo. I love you and thank you for supporting me. And yes, girl, this batch is going to have your hair touching the ground, honey. Okay, we are growing our hair past the booty crack length. Anyway, look at that, guys. Look at that liquid gold. Yes ma'am and yes sir. Now that I have it to my liking, I'm simply going to store it or place it or pour it, whatever, in the container that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Now I'm making sure that I'm scooping out every last drop of my mixture, and I'm actually surprised that it was the perfect fit. Like, look at that. Like, I didn't even really like measure everything properly. It just poured into there perfectly. So yes, so I'm going to again allow this to sit out for a while so it can solidify. And once it solidifies, I'm going to wrap it up, box it up, package it up, whatever, and ship it to my sis. I hope she enjoy it, which I'm sure she will. I'm thoroughly pleased, and look at that. Voila. Yes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will place as much of the products down below in the description box, and have a good one, guys. Bye.